Hello and welcome to Harris Farms. Today I'm here in my potato garden to show you some of the progress that I've made so far. These potatoes were planted about 2 months ago, and this is how far they have grown. As you can see, I have different varieties of potato here. I have the local ones. I have some improved varieties that were collected from Jalai University. So here we have, this is a variety of sweet potato that was collected from Jalai University, and this is referred to as the Rectopus. It is a very high yield producing potatoes which produces very large tubers. Just within 3 months, exactly 3 months, it is ready to be harvested. So this is another variety. This is a local variety, and this variety produces very large tubers as well. This is referred to as sembu, locally called sembu. I think it was introduced in this particular community by someone whose name was Sembu, and that's how they call it. It has very large tubers, and it also produces just within 3 months. So as you can see, they are growing very well, and within a month we'll be harvesting them. So this is Sembu. So I'm also going to take you to the other parts of the farm to show you where we have the orange flesh sweet potato. Amongst the orange flesh sweet potato, we have 3 varieties. We have the Chiefa, we have the Calura, and we have the Manut. So I'm going to take you there to show you. But also, as you can see, this farm, we have a kind of mixed cropping. You can see we have maize planted along the side of the beds, and these maize are also doing very well. So that's the essence of mixed cropping. Before the potatoes are ready, the maize shall have grown up, and they will be harvested before the potato is going to be harvested. So as I was saying, at Harris Farms we have different varieties of sweet potato. As I was showing you previously, we have the Rectopus and we have the Sembu, which I've shown you. And here we have the orange flesh sweet potato, which is referred to as the OFSP. And here is a variety which we call the Manut. This is Manut. This variety produces long vines. As you can see these vines, they are very long in length. So they can be recommended for their vegetative part, that is for leaves, and that of stem, in case you want to just produce stems and leaves to supply to other farmers or to animals, farm animals, because there are animals such as rabbits that we can feed using potato leaves. So if you are into rabbit farming, or you just want to be somebody who produces vines for other farmers to plant, I can recommend this particular Manut variety, as it produces very long vines. It also produces a very good tuber, though it takes about 4 months for it to get matured, but it produces very high yield content. So this is the Manut. So we also have the Chiefa and that of the Calura. So we'll move there to see. So we've looked at the Manut, and here we have, this is Calura. This is Calura. It is also an orange flesh sweet potato. As you can see, it produces large leaves, and these leaves are also very essential when it comes to giving blood. Locally, when someone lacks blood, they often recommend that you cut fresh potato leaves, you squeeze them, and then you drink the water. So these leaves can also help to produce blood to people that are short of blood also, or that have sickle cells or so forth. Now it also produces very large tubers. Its tubers are actually larger, or it produces tubers earlier than that of the Manut and the Chiefa. It is also very high yield producing, though it does not actually like too much of rainfall. So as you can see, we have them here. All of these ones that you are seeing, they are all Calura varieties. So they are part of the orange flesh sweet potatoes, as I was telling you about. So if you need high yield content, you can also grow them using poultry manure. They are very effective when it comes to growing them with poultry manure. You can use this particular variety to plant them. So I've just shown you the Calura. Here we have the 3rd variety of orange flesh sweet potato. This is referred to as the Chiefa. Chiefa is such that it produces a lot of branches. It has a lot of branches, and so it produces a lot of vines. As you can see here, it's just one cutting, and it has a lot of branches also. It also produces high yield content, but it takes about 5 months for it to get matured so that you can harvest it. So it actually takes longer time to get matured as compared to the Manut and that of the Calura varieties.